Hi, we are doing NCERT question number 3 of exercise 2.4 class 9. The initial population of a village is 750. Every year 50 people move from a nearby city to the village. That means every year the population increases by 50 people. Find the population of the village after 6 years. Then we have to make a table between T and the population P and find an expression that relates P and T and explain why it represents linear growth. So first we will find the population of the village after 6 years. So first we will write the initial population. The initial population is 750. Increase every year. Why increase every year? Because 50 people move from a nearby city to this village. 50. Now we will start with our first question. Find the population of the village after 6 years. So what will be the population after 6 years? Population after 6 years. It will be initial population plus increase in population. So first we will find the increase in population. So what will be the increase in population? The increase in population will be 50 into 6. 50 is the increase per year and 6 is the number of years. That is 300 people have increased in 6 years. So now the population after 6 years will become initial population, that is 750 plus 300. That means it is 1050 people. Now second problem, that is make a table of values of T varying from 0 to 10. What is T? T is the number of years and the population P that increases every year. So we have to make a table between T and P. What is T? T is the years and P is the population. Right? So now what we will see, T is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, the population was 750. And every year the population increases by 50 people. Right? Now this will become 750 plus 50 becomes 800. Right? Now in the second year, what will be the population? Second year it will be 800 plus 50, or we can say 750 initial population plus 50 into 2. 50 is per year increase and 2 is the number of years. Same way we can find for 3 years, 4 years and so on. So this becomes 850, this becomes 900, this become 950, this become 1000, this become 1050, this become 1100, this become 1150 and this becomes 1200. So this is the population, increase in population with the time. Now for the third part, you have to show a relationship between P and T. T is the time, that is in years here, and P is the population after that many years. Okay. Now, what is P? How do we find P? P is the initial population plus 50 into time. That means if time changes, the population will also change, and if the time is suppose 8 years, then what we will do is 50 into 8 plus 750 is the population of that year, in that year. Fine. Now, why does it represent a linear growth? It represents a linear growth because as the time increases, at a fixed rate, that is 1 year, the population also increases at a fixed or constant amount or rate, whatever. Fine. That is 50 people. That's why it's a linear growth, because the increase in population is constant, and that is 50 people per year.